What's the meaning of brassica? Brassica. Brassica.
Brassica. Brassica. Brassica is a genus of plants in the mustard family, which includes a variety of vegetables such as broccoli, cauliflower, kale, and cabbage. These plants are known for their edible and nutritious leaves, stems, and flowers, and are widely cultivated and consumed around the world. They are rich in vitamins, minerals, and dietary fiber, making them popular among health-conscious individuals. Brassica plants also have anti-cancer properties and may contribute to reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Overall, brassicas are important crops that provide a range of health benefits and play a significant role in global agriculture and human nutrition.